So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be very special, important, beneficial, and also one of a helpful video for all of my viewers, subscribers, learners, speakers, beginners, and also if you are advanced speaker, then also guys listen this video. I think that it is gonna be very helpful for you, because guys today in this video I will tell you only two things. I will give you two tips that you must need to follow while speaking, while giving a speech, and also in the moment of communication. Okay, they are so helpful, and I am 100% guaranteed, I am sure that if you use the tips, if you use my two tips that I'm gonna tell you in the video very perfectly, then guys it's gonna be very helpful for you. You can speak the English language very confidently. Your fluency also are gonna develop, and if you have any fear to speak the English, it also will remove automatically. So guys, let's start the video. The topics are very simple, very easy. You can master them in only 2 or 3 days. They are so simple guys. I will talk about them A to Z, and I also will tell you how to use them, what are the benefits of my topics. So let's start the video, let's begin the video. And also in the last of the video I will tell you a one bonus tip. Okay, one bonus tip, and the tip is gonna be also very beneficial. So let's start the video, let's begin this topic. So guys, my first tip is body expression or body movements. Body movements are so important, and you also can't imagine a little bit movements by your hand, by your body, by your facial expression. It can develop your confidence level. This simple body movement will take your confidence level very higher. And I also want to tell you a very important secret guys, that if you wanna give a very beautiful speech, long speech, and also if you want to attract all of the people to your speech, and if you wanna stop them, if you wanna just pause all of the audience for a long time to hear your speech, then also guys, the most important thing is the body expression, the body movements. Okay, just try to understand. If I stand by taking my hand like this, and also if I speak without any facial expression, without any body movements or any body expression, what the scene gonna be like. My name is Prathi Burman. I read in class 7 in Ramakrishna Ashram Vidya Mandir, and today I am very happy to be here, and I am also very glad that I get this opportunity to tell something and also to share my feelings with all of you. So thank you. It is as simple, and also all of the people will get bored in a 1 minute also. Yes, you listen right, I am also telling you the truth. But in this time, if you do some body expression, doesn't matter how you're speaking. It can be that your pronunciation is not good. It can be that your speaking style is also not good, but don't take it mind guys, I am just telling for example. But if you also have a good body expression, if you know when and how to move your hands, move your body in a same point, then it will be very helpful. Like, my name is Prathi Burman. I read in class 7 in Ramakrishna Ashram Vidya Mandir, and today I am very glad to be here and also to share my feelings with you. Like, this simple body movement will fulfill yourself with confidence. You can share some energy to your body movement, shows your confidence level. Okay, and you do body expression, body movements. That, do you know, yesterday I saw a very big accident between a car and a bike. They crashed together. There was a crowd of people. I was very fear towards a police car came there, and also ambulance was there. Like this simple incident, we also don't speak our own mother tongue. without doing body expression. Incidents, when we tell a story, then the body expression, body movements, they are so important. You also can watch that my hands are always in work with my speaking. I am speaking, my hand is going there near. I also don't know why. It will be your habit. Okay, just try to make body expression. You don't have to do anything, just practice. Okay, wake up in the morning and then speak. If you also practice is very important. Without the practicing, you can't speak the English. So that's why you have to practice. But remember, while you practice, try to like move your hand here and there. It can be like that, but after a movement, your shyness will remove and you can speak confidently. So okay, and this body movement also will secretly give you something confident. You can try it in your home. Without trying, you can't understand the benefits. So guys, it was my first idea, my first tip, that body movements or body expression. So now hit our second tip. Fear from people. This fearing from the people is a very dangerous fear. If you are a beginner and if you want to speak the English language better, then you have to speak it. But there is also a big fear, and the only fear just stop us and also push us behind. And for this simple fear, a number of people, they fail to speak the English language, and it is the fear from people. So first of all, if you want to be more confident and fluent in your speaking, then you must just forget what is the fear from people. If you have the fear from people, then listen to me. First of all, remove the fear from people. Forget what is fear from people. I don't know, because you will do mistake. The very important thing is mistake. If you are thinking, oh, if I do any mistake while speaking, and if everyone notices my mistake, what will be? They will only laugh at me. They will think that I can't speak anything. It will be a very shame thing for me. But guys, I will tell you, just remember, if you are a beginner, then mistake is very important. Okay, when a baby born, first they also do mistake. With the help of the mistake, they learn. And they do mistake, their father and mother, their parents, their relatives, their family members, they also be happy by the mistake of the baby, and then they try to correct the mistake. Okay, so that's why it is very important. Just remember, mistake is not a mistake, it is a friend in your life. In every way, you need to do mistake. You wanna develop your English. The grammar rules is important, but the most important thing is speaking. Without the speaking, without the practicing English, you can't speak it. So that's why when you will speak, then of course you will do the mistake. But remember one thing, whenever you do any mistake, then only three things you should do. Admit the mistake, learn everything from the mistake, and don't repeat the mistake. Okay, doing mistake is the first step of learn. If you want to remove your fear from people, then try to make the outdoor side videos. Try to practice the English in front of some people. Okay, call your best friend to come in your home and then try to do conversation, normal conversation. What is your name, what is your father, like normal question you can ask, you can answer. But only the thing that you have to do is only practice. Without the practicing, you can't remove the fear from people. And I also go to make the outdoor side videos. I observe many people, they also do their morning work, daily life work, and I also make videos. But first of all, in the first moment, I also fear, but I know one day this fear will remove, will erase. But the eraser to remove your fear from people, it is only the practicing during conversation. They are gonna harmful for the fear from people. So guys, it was the thing that I will tell you. Guys, it is the bonus time. So the bonus practice that I will give you, it is the codes. Okay, codes. There are million, hundred, uncountable codes in the internet, and they are very important. You also notice that in my speech, in the middle time, in some moment, I also use the codes. Like if you do any mistake, that there are only three things you should do. Admit the mistake, learn everything from the mistake. So it is also simplicity, the ultimate sophistication to a great mind. Nothing is little. APJ Abdul Kalam sir said to us that money is not everything. Money can buy a book but not knowledge. Money can buy bed but not sleep. Money can buy food but not the appetite. Money can buy clock but not the time. And also there are many quotes. Everything is easy and you will be crazy for it, but nothing is easy and you are lazy for it. I have 100 plus stock quotes in my brain, and the quotes are very helpful for everyone. You just think that you are giving a speech and then everyone is also feeling bored and bored. Everyone get bored for your speaking, and then suddenly if you use a small quotes also in your speech, then the speech will be more attractive. Like I will show you, the quotes are, they are so simple but they are very important. Like here you can see there is also a very big flags, and on the flags there are many type of quotes like beautiful days don't come to you, you must work towards them. And when you focus on problem, you will have more problem, but when you focus on possibilities, you will have more opportunities. Some people see the rain, others just get wet. This type of many quotes, my father decorate our house by them. Like here you can see there is also a quote, there is also many quotes. So I don't have to give advice about the quotes. I know that everyone know about them. You also can take them like the morals. So guys, bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like my tips and my two important thing, then guys, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like this video. People, they are watching our videos daily but not subscribing. Why guys? Subscribe my channel and also hitting the icon. Just hit the bell, because without hitting the bell you can't get all of the notification for our video. Thank you guys. Subscribe. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. Just remember, listen English, read English, write English, but speak English with Pratik Burman. Bye bye guys.